Hello and welcome to another All Nation Line video. This is part 3 of a video series that I'm doing on the RDG project Scrounge scratch building. And this has to do, of course, with the Reading 40-foot boxcar, and we've done 2 previous videos. This particular video we're going to talk about cutting the extra doors into the boxcar sides, the tool we use, how we do it, and the results. In part 4, we'll probably do a video on cutting the roof hatches, but we'll save that for later. So in just a minute here, we're going to stitch another video to show you the tooling we use to cut the doors into a blank car side. This is a typical 40-foot steel side that would have come in All Nation boxcars, and we're using the basis of this kit as one of our scrounge parts to bring together the assembly of a very unique boxcar that ran on the Reading Railroad. Okay, after our initial scrounging of parts, our first challenge is to see if we can cut the proper size doors into the boxcar sides. I have some tin sides left over from another project that I'm going to experiment on, and I have a punch that is rectangular and it's approximate size of the door that we want, and the die button is mounted into the work holding piece. The work holding piece is going to be clamped onto the punch press here, and we'll see if this will work and give us the desired result. Okay, the result of punching these doors into the sides would look like this. A door on each side of the main door, and what we did was we put these into the press and got them nice and square, and they cut really nicely. And once we had the machine set up, I decided, just to knock out a bunch of them in case I had a buddy that would like to try their hand at building one of these. So this particular step of the project turned out pretty good, because I didn't have to do much manual labor in terms of manually cutting these doors in or filing, and they're pretty much ready to go on to the next step. So in part 4, we're going to talk about cutting in the openings for the roof hatches on the roof, where they would have loaded the beams into the car for shipment. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and hopefully it'll pique your interest in building a unique car for your railroad layout.